Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're craving some off-the-beaten-path travel inspiration, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to explore Montenegro, a small but stunning country on the Adriatic coast. While places like Kotor and Budva get all the attention, Montenegro is full of hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. So let's dive into some of its most breathtaking and secret spots, and trust me, you'll want to add them to your bucket list. Before we begin our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate what makes Montenegro so special. From its dramatic mountains to its pristine coastline, Montenegro is packed with natural beauty. While the country is best known for its famous tourist spots like the Bay of Kotor and the beaches of Budva, the real charm lies in the lesser-known corners of this beautiful country. You won't find huge crowds, and the landscapes are nothing short of magical. Whether you're into hiking, exploring medieval towns, or just relaxing by crystal-clear lakes, Montenegro's hidden gems have something for everyone. Our first hidden gem is Lake Piva and its dramatic Piva Canyon, located in the northwest part of the country. This serene lake is surrounded by rugged mountains, making it one of the most picturesque spots in Montenegro. The lake was created in the 1970s by the construction of a dam, but it has since become a popular spot for those in the know. What makes this place so special? Well, the Piva Canyon is often compared to the Grand Canyon in the US, minus the crowds. The crystal-clear water of the lake is perfect for kayaking or simply taking in the breathtaking views. And with relatively few tourists, it feels like your own private paradise. You can also explore the nearby Piva Monastery, which is perched on the edge of the canyon and offers one of the best panoramic views of the entire area. Next up, we're heading to Biogradska Gora National Park, a stunning haven for nature lovers. This park is one of the last remaining primeval forests in Europe, and it's often overlooked by tourists heading to more famous destinations. Biogradska Gora is a UNESCO biosphere reserve and is home to some of the oldest trees in the region, along with diverse wildlife including bears, wolves, and eagles. One of the highlights of the park is Lake Biograd, a picturesque glacial lake surrounded by thick forests and towering mountains. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or just soaking up the serenity, this park offers a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. The best part? It's still relatively unknown to most tourists, meaning you can experience the magic of this ancient forest without the crowds. Now let's head inland to the charming village of Njeguši, nestled in the heart of the Lovćen National Park. This peaceful village is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbors, but it's a must-visit if you want to experience authentic Montenegrin culture. Njeguši is known for its traditional smoked ham, known as Njeguški pursuit, and its delicious local cheeses. It's a great place to stop for a bite, but the real charm of this village lies in its cobblestone streets and historic stone houses. You'll also find the Njeguši Mausoleum, the final resting place of Montenegro's royal family. But the highlight here is the breathtaking views from the village itself. Njeguši is perched on the slopes of Mount Lovćen, so you get a stunning panoramic view of the surrounding mountains and the Bay of Kotor. It's the perfect spot to escape the crowds and experience Montenegro's rural beauty. Ready to see something truly magical? Let's talk about Plava Špilja, or the Blue Cave located on the Lustica Peninsula. This hidden gem is a natural wonder that will make you feel like you've stepped into a dream. The cave gets its name from the way the sunlight filters through the water, creating an otherworldly blue glow inside the cave. Getting to the Blue Cave is part of the adventure. It's accessible only by boat, so you'll need to hop on a small fishing boat or a kayak. Once inside, the waters are so clear that you can see straight to the bottom. If you're lucky, you might even have the place all to yourself, as it's still relatively unknown compared to other coastal attractions. And if you're looking for a place to swim, the Blue Cave is perfect. The water is refreshingly cool, making it a must-see for anyone visiting Montenegro's coast. And now, let's visit one of the best-kept secrets on Montenegro's coastline, the Bay of Tivat. While the Bay of Kotor gets all the glory, the Bay of Tivat offers a quieter, more tranquil experience. This bay is surrounded by lush greenery and picturesque beaches, many of which are far less crowded than their more famous counterparts. The area is home to the Porto Montenegro Marina, a glamorous waterfront area where you can stroll along the docks, admire luxurious yachts, or enjoy a coffee at one of the chic cafes. But beyond the marina, there are hidden beaches like Plava Horizonte, a secluded spot perfect for swimming and relaxation. Tivat is also home to island Sveti Marko, a small island with pristine beaches and a peaceful atmosphere. You can reach it by boat and it feels like a secret oasis away from the crowds. So there you have it, 5 of the most stunning hidden getaways in Montenegro. From crystal clear lakes and secret caves to peaceful villages and hidden beaches, this small country is packed with places that will take your breath away. Whether you're a nature lover, history buff, or someone just looking for a quiet escape, Montenegro has something for everyone. If you've been to any of these hidden spots, let me know in the comments below. And if you're planning your next trip to Montenegro, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and hidden gems. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.